Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to change language on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now from the top right corner, tap on three dots. Go to Settings. Here you will see many options. Tap on the app language. Now tap on the language you want. And you will change the language on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to change the language on WhatsApp. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.